Hello friends! Today I will share with you how to propagate roses by simple cuttings at home. This method uses absolutely no chemicals, only natural ingredients that are easy to find, and boasts a high success rate, strong rooting, and fast germination. Let's get started. First of all, we need a healthy rose branch free of pests and diseases. Then remove all the lower leaves. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to support me and not miss the next useful videos. Next, use 1 clove of garlic to clean the cut. Garlic has the ability to kill bacteria and mold, reduce the risk of root rot, regenerate tissue, and stimulate healthier root growth. Use 50 grams of rice, equivalent to 5 tablespoons of rice, and 1 small aloe leaf. Take the inside of the aloe vera leaf and cut it into small pieces. Add 350 milliliters of water and stir well. This solution combination both moisturizes, stimulates root growth, and protects cuttings from fungus and disease, helping rose branches develop roots faster and new shoots grow healthier. Soak the rose stems in the rice solution for 15 minutes. Use toilet paper as a growing medium. Put the paper in the plastic cup. Strain the clear liquid from the rice and aloe vera mixture. Moisten the paper with the rice solution. Take a thin layer of paper and wrap it around the flower stem. Cut a hole in the middle of the cup and insert the flower stem. Use a cup to cover it, creating a sealed environment for the flower stem. This helps to minimize evaporation of water inside the plant. Then leave the plant in a cool place away from direct sunlight. Now let's check how the rose branch has grown after 5 days. It was amazing. The sprouts started growing vigorously. After a few days, the roots grow evenly, long and strong. Thanks to the nutrients from the rice and the tissue regeneration stimulating properties of aloe vera, new shoots begin to appear at the leaf nodes. The seedlings grow steadily and are ready to be planted in the ground or into larger pots. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you success with the method of propagating roses by cuttings at home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next great tips. See you soon.
Ayan, bấm chị nước.